Hi, and welcome to Miss L Creations. We are going to make our I'm gonna put the name of it up here. I don't know why I can never say it. I have this mold, and it is a set of 4 coasters, and this is the coaster holder. So it has the 4 legs, and then the bottom, and then the legs sit in here and hold your coasters on top of it like that. And all I've done multiple times is take some tape and just go around and get any hair or glitter or fluff or whatever might be in there. The tape helps pull it out of there without scratching our mold. You're seeing a lot more of the tabletop because I'm going to pour this one first, and then I'm going to slide it over, and then we're going to bring the big piece in and we're going to do it. So the different colors that I've chose for today is that we're going to do this one in green. It's going to be very shamrocky, and there's a piece of glitter, so I'm going to have to put glitter in now. This is laser green. I'll put the link for that down in the description below. And we're also using, this is Sulin, I guess how you say that, extra fine glitter. Got this at Walmart. And then I have these 3 Shamrock colors. And all I did was I mixed all 3 of them together, and we ended up with a concoction of multicolored shamrocks. And that is in this little bowl or cup. And then I mixed up some Rolio gold so that we get a little bit of gold in there. And then I also have some gold glitter and some black glitter. So if I need another color, then I've got that. And I have a little bit of white in reserve just in case I might need to add or whatever. Who knows what we're going to end up having to do. I'm not entirely sure how much this holds. We are only going to pour in these little sections here. We're not going to fill it all the way up. So that should help. We shouldn't need a ton of glitter. We're going to do... And we're just going to take this and we're going to pour it into all these little sections with as many different colors as we can and see where it takes us. And the glitters are thick because of the glitter, just because of the glitter. So we'll need to help it kind of spread out. And we want to try and stay off of the top of the centerpieces here, because that I want to back it. I think I want to back it in black, I think. I haven't decided just yet. Black or gold? Wish I could ask you, what do you think? But I'm pouring gold into the mold, so I think we're going to back. Maybe we'll back it in the black and gold. Maybe I won't mix any of that up and we'll back it in that instead. That might be all right. And I'm getting parts, it's pulling apart just a little bit here, so I'm going to add a little bit more. And then we'll just go around, and I'm going to add all of my colors to this one that I want. And then we'll move over to the actual coaster molds. Keep in mind that I had, so I sell the items that I make. I put them on Etsy and sell them unless I keep them, or my mom does bingo for the senior center, and sometimes I'll give her, especially seasonal stuff. But most of our stuff goes on to our Etsy store. And I don't remember what it was that I put on there, but it was a set of coasters, and they gave me, that was my only non-5-star rating that I've had on my Etsy store, and they were upset because it was like glass on top, and they didn't know how it was going to hold moisture. They were upset that it was slick on the top. And for any of you that have done resin molds, coaster especially, they are glass. It's liquid glass, liquid plastic. I can't help that. So please understand, these will have grooves, so it'll have somewhere for the wetness to go. But these are not absorbent. They're not stone, and they're not they're not stone, and they're not cork and that sort of stuff. So you just, if you ever buy somebody's resin coasters, just understand that it's not going to be absorbent. They're more decoration than they are to keep your tabletop clean, I guess. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I'm going to need more of this for sure, especially doing a big piece like that. That's okay. I got extra resin. All right, so I'm going to put you on a fast forward, and we're going to go ahead and fill these up, and then I will be back once these are cured.
At the end of the hallway, there's a little room of light. Glitter, mica powder, resin sparkling so bright. Every pore's a story, every piece a friend. Welcome to our craft room, where the fun never ends. Myself Creations, come and see. Craft and laugh, make memories. From my hands to yours with a love. We're crafting a life we're dreaming of. Colors swirl together, shining from the start. Each project made with patience and a whole lot of heart. So grab your seat and join me, let the good times roll. Crafting side by side, it's glitter for the soul. Myself Creations, come and see. Craft and laugh, make memories. From my hands to yours with love. Crafting a life we're dreaming of. Through the screen we're never far. Friends and resin, that's who we are. Sharing joy in every way. Let's craft some magic every day.
So these have fully cured. I don't know if you can see my little mess here. My jar, I was taking my phone down off of the mount here where I haven't mounted up to record, and I dropped it into my resin, into my jar that was open, dumped my jar. So, you know, in true Kathy style. Oh my gosh, I made a mess of a mess yesterday. So, I did measure. I poured alcohol into this one, measured it. It came out to 1.5 ounces. So 3, 6, 7.5-ish. And then I wanted this extra leg done, so I thought maybe an ounce for that, which I way overguessed. I'm gonna have so much resin left. So I made 8 ounces. Well, then I decided for my background on these, I was gonna do black and add gold. I was gonna add gold glitter to my black, so we'd have a little bit of shimmer shine to it. And I ended up mixing all 8 ounces into black. So I had to turn around and make another. I made 2, which was, now that I see it, too much. So now I gotta figure out what to do with all of that. Goodness sakes. Hey, it is what it is. It's fine. We never complain about extras. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to back all 5 of these pieces in this black with the gold. I did add just a little bit of glue. This is 8 ounces, and I think, whoa, belly. Oh my goodness, it's so gloopy. And I got it up over my pieces here. We can't have that. So, I'm going to scrape it off of these and move it where it needs to be. And again, I'm going to put you on a fast forward. And then once I have all of these poured, we will come back and unmold it and see what we got.
Myself Creations, come and see. Craft and laugh, make memories. From my hands to
Now all we gotta do is let this cure and I'll find something to put that in. Be right back. So these are ready to come out now. And instead of making something extra out of these, the green that I had, I ended up just pouring it into the back of these because I still needed a little bit more resin. So we're gonna see. Hopefully it doesn't come through the front. Oh, wow. Isn't that cool? Oh my goodness, that is so neat. Okay. Please be okay. Please be okay. It did not come through. Yay. Oh, I got a rogue shamrock in that one somehow. How funny. Can you see it in there? And this was cured before I did the back. Well, the shamrock wasn't in the back anyway. It was this, and there's no shamrocks in it. So I must have had a rogue glitter get into my gold. Dang it. Oh, these came out so neat. I love those. What do you guys think? Those turned out so neat. That's all oh, let's put it together. What am I thinking? I gotta head to work in 5 minutes. That's what I'm thinking. Uh-oh, I over poured this one. No, there it goes. Then you have to glue these in if you decide you want to keep these in permanent. Otherwise, they'll fall out. These out of the way. And then we'll put cork backs on them. And they fit in just like that. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. I always answer those, and I love answering those. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us out a ton. And I guess until next time, we will see you then. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Creations, come and see, craft and laugh, make